Duplication in sales is confusing and is misleading to the buyer. I was curious to know what Paradise Delivered was going to present for their St. Patrick's Day box 2025 as compared to the one for 2024. So I ordered it. Tribal headband. Sweet feet socks. And in the same color. Not even a different color. The same color. Fiona Rachel, Youth Defying Cream. And this was in both last year's Valentine's box and last year's St. Patrick's Day box, as were the socks. And my sticky note tells me that they claim this is $36, but they've got it on sale for $18. So Susan, Glow Firming Neck Cream. We've seen that one before. Yes, we have. Seraphine Botanicals Sugar Scrub for your lips in lemon. Jelly Pong Pong Rosebud Lip Conditioner. I do have to say, looking at it through the ring light, this thing is full. So at least you're getting a full product for whatever size it says in itty bitty little print of 0.47 fluid ounces. Skin Chemist Green Caviar Moisturizer, is it? Yep. Green Caviar Day Moisturizer from Skin Chemists of London. Lily Sky Elephant Necklace and Earrings. You've seen them before. Charlotte Star Mirror. Caramel is trying to find herself in the mirror. Oh, there I am, I think. So, as the old saying goes, the proof is in the pudding. What do you think? Half the box is duplicates. I purchased it on purpose. I was curious to know. And now I know. Not fully opposed to getting the socks again because I am using the current pairs that I have. They are lasting well. They wash well. So not totally opposed to a couple of duplicates, but just half the box is a duplication. Seriously? I would have thought that in a year's time frame, they would have swapped out, if not all the box, at least the majority of it. Half this box was duplicates. I don't know what you're thinking, Paradise Delivered, but I don't know. Let us know in the comments below. What do you think? And now, moving along with the other half of this box. Banter Beauty gives a eye soother. This is in the scent of lavender, so it's something I won't use, but that is to be expected in a mystery box. You're going to hit a few things that you're not going to use. This is lavender and flaxseed eye soother. You can use it as it is or cool it in the refrigerator for relief for your tired and puffy eyes. I just don't like lavender. Again, that's to be expected. I would expect hitting a few that I would not have a personal preference towards. This is a blush from Kaleido Cosmetics. It's in the shade Felicity. It's a little bit on the dark side for what I would give a preference to. Don't know how well that's showing up. There we go. That might be better. This is an essential oil. It is in the scent Geranium from Better Homes and Gardens. This is for diffuser use, not topical use. We're probably going to pass this along to a friend. Geranium is not my favorite scent. It's not bad, not my favorite. Jeff really doesn't care for it, so we're going to check with a friend and see if she is able to put it to use or if she knows of someone. That looks like you're holding up a woman's undergarment. Yes, it does, and it's not. This is from After Spa. This is a sleep mask. Playing peekaboo with the camel. I'm not big on things wrapped around my head at night. It aggravates my claustrophobia. So this I would probably pass along. The other thing I'm a little concerned about, although the elastic does seem nice and stretchy, the closure is Velcro, and I'm not saying I'd want to have a metal closure at the back of my head, yet if you get your hair caught in Velcro, if you know, you know, and I know. Ugh. This is a $32 bracelet from Laura Ford. Never heard of her. Tried to look it up on the internet. Could not really find anything other than bracelets for sale on Poshmark or Mercari. This is what it looks like. I'm waffling on this one as I try to get in closer. It's a fun bracelet, yet it sort of looks like there's eyes staring out at you. Yeah, it's different. I guess it's unique. Would I give you $32 for this bracelet? Because that's what it says right there, $32. Hopefully that's not too blurry. I don't think I would give you $32 for, help me out here, Fatima, I got the thing on, I can't get it off, for a bracelet that is on an elastic band. I'm having a hard time seeing the warrant for a $32 price tag. Anyone else familiar with this brand? Because we're not. We got some clay facial masks. This is exciting because we do clay mask and face mask battles on our channel. Skip the Spa clay mask, coconut hibiscus, and it restores and nourishes, and we get 5 masks. Now apparently there's 2 different sizes you could get. Our masks are the smaller size at 15 milliliters. There's also a 75 milliliter size. And to be honest, this is the size that we got. And it feels plenty full. I think this is plenty enough for my face. I wouldn't want the larger size unless it was somehow resealable, because I'm afraid it would dry out. So very excited to get this one. We have 3 more fun products here. This next one though, you gotta be careful about where you read, because it says 10 pieces at the top, but then at the bottom it says 5 pairs. These are eye masks, and aren't they cute? Stinking cute? They do look cute, presuming, I haven't opened it up yet, presuming it is the flower for your eyes. I think that's cute. This is retinol-infused reviving eye pads. Revive and indulge your tired eyes with our retinol-infused eye pads. They will help plump and hydrate your skin while providing a revigorating sensation. Hey, I'm game to try. Me too. But it's just interesting at the top. you get 10 pieces, but it's only at the bottom where you see 5 pairs. Next, we have something from Daily Concepts. We got a lip scrubber from them last year. It looked like a hunk of junk, and then it turned out to be something really neat and wonderful. So we are hoping this will also be neat and wonderful. This is what she looks like. This is supposed to be a leaf, and it's a body scrubber. It's nice and I'm going to call it rubbery soft. So you just apply your shower gel and then scrub-a-dub-dub. Maybe wash the camel a little bit. Ooh, that feels like a nice back massager. Yeah, and I readily admit, last year the lip scrubber that came from this brand, I initially thought it was a hunk of junk until I actually tried it. And then I had to pry my foot out of my mouth because it turned out to be something pretty neat. So that's the size. It just slides back over your hand. And at the bottom, there's a little hook spot, and it comes with a sticky, silicone sticky, not adhesive, the silicone rubbery thing that you stick on the side of your shower area so you can hang it up to dry. Oh, this could be fun. Yes. Now, I am curious. It says on their website they want $16 for it, but it's on sale for $8. I'm not quite sure I would give you $16 for that. How about you? What do you think? Last but not least, we have a book. Yes, interesting. A novel. The Mayfair Bookshop, a novel of Nancy Mitford and the Pursuit of Happiness by Eliza Knight. This was published in 2022, so it's not, 5, 6, 7 years old. And it has a suggested retail of $16.99, and it looks like it's going back to 1938 and then coming forward into present day. Looks like it could be a fun, interesting read. Keep an eye on our shorts feed, because that's where we do some of our product reviews. There'll probably be a book review on this one. So what do you think of what came in this box? Overall, I would say I like about half of it, which and I anticipated that there might be some duplicates. Just was not expecting to have half the box be duplicates. So if you break down the nitty-gritty, this has a supposed retail of $450. I don't think so. Me neither. They initially said the original price was $150, but it was on sale for $75, and I saw a code floating around on Facebook that brought it down to $45. Was this worth $45? Well, if I hadn't gotten last year's box and this was all new to me, would this be worth $45? Maybe. Having gotten last year's box and now gotten half of it again, no, I don't think this is worth $45. At $45 for the 18 items that were in here, that gives each item a price of $2.50. Would I give you $2.50 for each of these items? Some yes, some probably not. What do you think? Let me know. So that's what we can tell you. Are we going to buy any more Paradise Delivered boxes? Well, we probably won't until maybe the fall. Last year's Halloween box, I recall being as cute. So I think for a potential cute box, and also, hey, let's find out if they have duplicates in that one too. Because duplicates are misleading and confusing to the consumer. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. Thanks for watching today. Check out another video, and we hope to see you again in another video. Thanks for watching.